Important tools to become a smart and an intelligent investor. Part 1. TradingView helps you to analyze the company on the technicals aspect. Screener helps you on the fundamental aspects of the company. nsindia.com or niftyindices.com regarding stocks within a sector and their movements related, it will be giving you the data. moneycontrol.com to analyze the global markets movement along with the FII, foreign institutional investors, and DIA, domestic institutional investors inflow. sebi.gov.in for your IPO DRHP, deferred red herring prospectus. In order to understand about an IPO in detail, a company which is going to list in the market, DRHP is like a Bible. And on IPOs, chitorgar.com is a very good platform to understand about the upcoming IPOs, the entire information about the IPO details. Follow to learn more and wait for part 2 to learn more about some more important tools. Subscribe to learn more.